The LACCDB extension identifies a Microsoft Access record locking information, file tracking concurrent user access to shared ACCDB databases. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these database lock files. We're tackling this LACCDB file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. LACCDB files are lock information files created by Microsoft Access when an ACCDB database is open, storing active user session data, record level locks, and machine identification for coordinating concurrent multi-user database access and preventing data corruption. Microsoft Access LACCDB files use a binary format storing computer names, usernames, security identifiers, and connection types for each active database session. They track which users have which records locked to prevent simultaneous editing conflicts. Historically, the main tool for managing the LACCDB type has been Microsoft Access by Microsoft Corporation. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows only reveals basic attributes, and unsafe edits can impact system reliability. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the LACCDB file and click Open With. Try launching with Microsoft Access first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. When your LACCDB file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This LACCDB file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, understanding lock files. LACCDB files are automatically created when an ACCDB database is opened, and should be deleted automatically when all users close the database. If the file persists after all users disconnect, it may indicate an improper shutdown or crashed access session. Next, resolving stale locks. If a LACCDB file persists and prevents database access, ensure all users have closed their access connections. If the file remains, delete it manually when no one is using the database. This clears all record locks and allows fresh database access. Finally, preventing lock issues. Configure Access databases for proper multi-user access by placing the database on a shared network drive and splitting into front-end and back-end files. Use the database splitter wizard in Access. Ensure all users close access properly to prevent stale LACCDB files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.